The Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 was announced last May with Android Pie-based Emui 9. The smartphone picked up Emui 9.1 in August and now it's receiving Emui 10. Emui 10 is predicated on Android 10 and brings in dark mode to the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, alongside a color scheme inspired by Mirandi color, also as magazine design, which seamlessly curates the on-screen content into a design almost like a magazine. Besides, the update brings in new animations with instant feedback, smooth movements, and impressive response times. Emui 10 is currently rolling in India and you'll download it on your Y9 Prime 2019 through the HiCare app.